Hi friends, welcome to Pretty Simple Living. Today I came up with a weight loss recipe that is hearts gram salad. This is a requested video from my subscriber, so I did this. Ingredients we need: hearts gram, onion, green chilies, carrots, coriander leaves, cucumber, olive oil, pepper powder, lemon juice and salt to taste. Let's jump into the process. Take 1 spoon of olive oil in a pan, add half onion and 1 green chilli, fry them. Hearts gram is a miracle superfood. It is rich in nutrients, phosphorus, calcium, protein and iron. In Ayurveda, hearts gram is mentioned for weight loss, and it has numerous other benefits like it is great for digestion and great for diabetes. It reduces the kidney stones and ulcers. It is great for common cold and flu. Now I am adding carrots. I cut these carrots into small cubes. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. After having this salad, you won't feel hungry for a long time and you won't crave for any other junk foods. Have it in the evening before 6:30. If you feel hungry after that, have 1 glass of buttermilk. So here onion and carrots are fried. So I am going to add hearts gram. This hearts gram is already I soaked it for 3 hours and boiled it for 7 to 10 minutes. I am adding these hearts gram. Fry them. Mix it properly for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add salt according to your taste and 1/4 spoon of black pepper powder. Mix them nicely. And switch off the stove. Finally, add 1 spoon of lemon juice. Give it a quick mix. Then garnish with coriander leaves. Finally, add cucumber pieces. Give it a quick mix and serve them. Hearts gram salad is ready. This is very healthy and yummy recipe. I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay fit, take care, bye bye.